It's always a good combination. So we want students who are intelligent, and we definitely want students who are all round. And that's the best combination to have for us. But it's a collective process that we get in together to bring out the best from the candidates. And therefore, very often we get this response, oh my God, I'm so good. How come I didn't get in? Or,
I know.
oh my God, I got in.
Right.
That's because there are candidates who've never invested time in themselves.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Shiksha Nerd, and in today's episode we will be talking about MICA's admission process. Yes, they do have their admission process in the brochure, but yes, we will not be talking about it. It is beyond the brochure, and without any further delays, let's start the video. Now, a aspirant who is looking for MICA for 2026, is it the academics we are looking for? It is something else?
So why should it be a choice? It's always a good combination. So we want students who are intelligent, and we definitely want students who are all round. And that's the best combination to have for us. So yes, we do pay attention to academics because I strongly believe that this is not exclusive, but it's mutually inclusive.
Right.
So we are looking for attitude, and we're looking for an attitude of respect. We're looking for an attitude of commitment, hard work, rigor, which when applied to academics is good grades, and when applied to extracurricular is a lot of extracurricular activities and participation.
So, ma'am, when they are coming for the PIs and GE, general exercise, which is very different from any other B school,
Yep.
because they have GDPIs, and here we have GE, PI.
Yeah.
So, what is it, and what exactly we're looking in the candidates?
It's excitement.
Yeah.
It's a lot of action. So it is not talking, but it's actually like
What
we are
you're
doing,
doing,
walking
yeah.
the talk. So it's a very good simulation and a part of everyday life because you have limitations of resource, time, access to outside thoughts because it's a limited group. Within that group, what we're looking for is how do you come together as a group to execute that one little idea.
Right.
So that's why group exercise becomes high energy, hugely involving, all students coming together. And PI is the goal in PI, and unlike any other B school, our goal in PI is to figure out what you know and not to get you to prove how little you know.
Yeah.
So it's not a competition between the interviewee and the interviewer, but it's a collective process that we get in together to bring out the best from the candidates. And therefore, very often we get this response, oh my God, I'm so good. How come I didn't get in? Or,
I know.
oh my God, I got in.
Right.
That's because there are candidates who've never invested time in themselves.
Yeah. So I was going through the MICAT and I saw that psychometric test. And again, it is compulsory to crack that.
Yes.
If not, you are not a part of
Yes,
MICAT.
it's in and
So
out.
what is it is, very different again. What are we understanding through my psychometric test?
So lovely, I love this question. And if this is the last question, this circles us right back to where we started.
Yeah.
What do you look for? We look for human beings and not machines. We look for people who feel. We look for people who are like huge bundles of potential than just grade sheets. And through psychometric, we are distinctly trying to check for your creativity potential. We also have an interesting section on descriptive writing. And in descriptive writing, we are looking at your ability to imagine, because this is what we strongly believe at MICA. We believe that we are getting into an age of imagination, and it's MICA's time to rule the roost.
Yeah.
So therefore, that entire battery of tests that we have at MICAT.
Perfect. I'm very sure from today's episode you can understand that MICA is not only concerned or looking at your academics or your score. It is your mindset. It is your overall profile. So if MICA is in your list, then this video can actually help you. Thank you so much for watching us. All the best.